Hi, I'm Dr. John Evans with Pro Tailored Physical Therapy here in Fort Wayne, Indiana, and I'm going to teach you the best way to fix your neck pain. Rotate your head to the right and to the left as far as you can and figure out which side is the most painful and stiff. So if I rotate my head to the left and it feels the most stiff, this exercise is going to be focused on rotating my head to the right, okay? So what I'm going to do, if it hurts going to the left or if it's most stiff going to the left, I'm going to move my head to the right a total of 20 times. I'm going to go from straight ahead in midline all the way to the right as far as I can, 20 times. Then once you're done with that exercise, try rotating your head to the left again. See if it's a little better. It probably will be. Now the next phase of this exercise is rotating your head as far as you can to the right and keeping it at that end plane, end range, and then oscillating it back and forth. Really push it. Shouldn't be too painful. You do that a total of 20 times. Then you relax and you go back to the left and it should be a little bit better. I typically do this 3 sets in a row. It all depends on your pain. If you notice it keeps getting better or that pain completely alleviates itself, then you're done. Chin tucks are an exercise that I prescribe for the majority of my neck patients. So all you do is try to make a double chin. Everyone loves it. Tuck your chin down, push your head straight back. You can use your fingers as overpressure, just down and back. You should feel a nice pull on the base of your skull and maybe even a little bit of pressure on the front of your neck. From the side, it looks like this. You hold that for 3 seconds, you do that 30 times in a row, and then try moving your neck around and see if it feels any better. The third exercise, we're going to be utilizing a lacrosse ball, tennis ball, baseball, really anything you can wedge on the top part of your shoulder. What we're trying to do is get the muscle on the top of your shoulder, which is called the upper trapezius, to relax. The upper trapezius is a big factor with a lot of people's headaches, and this is a great way to stretch it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this ball, we're going to put it right in the middle of your shoulder. You don't want to put it on the side of your neck, you don't want to put it on the outside of your shoulder, right in the meaty part of the upper trapezius. Typically if you follow the seam on your shirt, then that's a good guideline. So we'll put it right here. You're going to come up to the side of the door frame and you're going to lean into it, putting pressure as if you're trying to push the wall away. Now, while I'm leaning into it, I'm going to move my arm back and forth, and that's really going to help loosen up this tissue. It looks like this. And I'll do that about 30 different times, and I'll move my arm in different directions. After that, you can relax, and we'll see how you feel. So if you're having left-sided neck pain or right-sided neck pain, this is going to target that area. So hypothetically, I'm going to have left-sided neck pain anywhere up in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend my head away from that side of the pain, and you're going to start feeling a gradual stretch on the side of your neck. And then I'm going to rotate my head up as if I'm looking towards the ceiling while keeping that side bend. And I'm going to start feeling that pull and a little bit more up in the front. That's stretching out your upper traps and your scalenes. Just focus on deep breathing. Try to sink that shoulder down further. You hold that for 30 seconds, and do that 3 times in a row, and then you relax. Shouldn't be painful, should just feel like a big stretch. All right guys, I hope that information was useful for you. Please let us know if you have any questions, comments, or any new topics that you'd like us to cover in our next video. Also, please like and subscribe to our channel so you can get updated on our new videos that come out. And lastly, if you'd like to schedule an appointment at Pro Tailored Physical Therapy in Fort Wayne, Indiana, you can call us at 260-739-0300, or you can visit us online at www.protailored.com. Thanks.